We can't help but marvel watching celebrities age and their skin continues to glow. Impeccable Derma isn't just for the A-list anymore. Our next guest has helped some of Hollywood's hottest stars look their best, and guess what? He can do it for you. Cosmetic dermatologist Dr. Jason Emmer. Hi, how are you?
Nice to meet you. Hi, I'm great. I'm doing great.
Great to have you.
Thank you.
You're not just Dr. Jason. Your middle name is also a J, so you're a JJ as well.
I love JJ's. Jason Joel, right here.
See? We already have a thing going. Yeah.
We connected.
Let's talk about what you do. You have been helping people in Hollywood look their best, and people are serious about that. When you're going on red carpets, when you're going in front of the camera, you have to be serious about it. How do you do it?
Yeah, you know, 4 years ago I started my practice in Los Angeles, and it was just to give good care. Now we've kind of progressed. We have 33 employees, and where we're literally taking care of everybody in entertainment, all the big celebrities, patients that are wanting to be models and taking their headshots and always looking their best. And we have people that fly from all over the world to constantly be making sure they don't have sun damage, they have less wrinkles, they're doing everything they can for anti-aging.
Right.
They want to come to us because we have the most advanced technologies and we do the most combination treatments to get really good outcomes with very minimal downtimes.
Ah, minimal downtimes.
Yes.
Exactly. It's so interesting. If you're growing that quickly, you know, you must be onto something, because frankly there are a lot of different choices. There are a lot of different doctors for skincare. What is it that you feel you're doing differently? Obviously you said you're cutting edge. What does that mean? Yeah,
I mean, in this industry, like you said, there's a wide expansion. You have people that are nurses, physician assistants, estheticians that are kind of opening med spas and things. Well,
sure.
What's different with us is I'm a dermatologist that went to residency for that, and then from there I did fellowship training in skin cancer surgery, plastic surgery and liposuction, and doing scar treatments. So we really became super cutting edge as I did those fellowships, and then companies now come to us to develop new lasers, new techniques before anyone gets them.
Really?
So we're basically doing and testing all of these things out on some A-list celebrities, on some of our patients that have had these issues, whether it's pigmentation, acne, scars, sensitive skin like rosacea. I mean, we're literally doing treatments before nobody has them.
Oh, awesome.
And really teaching us these new technologies takes us very, advanced very quickly. The other thing that's different is I wanted to create a practice where people had a long-term relationship with their doctor.
Yeah.
So when you come in, you don't just come in and get one thing, that's it. We create an entire treatment plan for you from start to finish, what we need to do this next 6 months to a year, what we need to do in 3 to 6 years and beyond to prevent the aging process, whatever your goals may be, keeping you looking natural, keeping you looking good. If we know you're going to be, a rising star in certain industry and we need to focus on something, we do. I have younger patients that really they're starting to feel tired, so we focus on their dark circles. Or I have other patients where, they're always taking side pictures and their jawline's important to them. Or, they have a family member where their skin's sagging early, so we're doing skin sagging preventative treatments early on. So we're basically creating full treatment plans and long-term relationships with patients, which no one really has in this industry.
Wow, it's incredible. It sounds like you've got your finger on it in so many different areas too with that experience. You do something called the salt facial. What is that? Yeah,
one of the newest, hottest treatments for no downtime skin rejuvenation is something called salt facial. In the past, to get like exfoliation of the skin and get rid of dead skin cells and kind of shrink the pores and make the pigmentation better. You went on a long weekend, sat at the pool, you got sun damage. How do we reverse that? We do this treatment called salt facial with, instead of using a major trauma to the skin like microdermabrasion, actually uses pressurized organic sea salt that's known to naturally hydrate the skin, and it exfoliates the surface. And then in the second step of that treatment, we use an ultrasound to push medical grade treatments into the skin. They can be antioxidants, they could be growth factor and repair products, hydration products, whatever the issue is that you have. Pigmentation, fine lines, we can push those into the skin because it's already been exfoliated from the salt. And then the third step is using an LED light that's been known to decrease inflammation but also boost collagen. So patients come in and in 10-15 minutes even though we make the treatment a little bit longer because we want them to feel, you know, really refreshed, but in 10-15 minutes their skin glows, it looks amazing. If you constantly do this treatment.
So, and I'm sorry to interrupt, but
Yeah.
we're running out of time,
Okay.
and we want to touch on Tribella and also look at some before and after
Oh,
pictures.
good. Okay.
Because in
Let's do
addition
that.
to your great information, nothing shows results like these before and after. So
I agree.
Tribella is still a thing?
Well, that's like the next newest thing.
Okay.
3 combination treatments together: light therapy, a non-ablative radiofrequency to tighten the skin.
Yes.
And then also a radiofrequency to tighten it even more. So
Oh,
skin
wow,
gets
3
brighter
steps.
and tighter
Yeah.
and less pores all in one.
Okay, can we look at some pictures?
Yeah, let's
before and
show
after?
them. Let's show them.
All right, beautiful. And now, who's this procedure best for, would you say?
The Tribella is for anybody that wants anti-aging, but if you're starting to get some sagging skin and some pigmentation, that's even better for you.
Okay, beautiful. Thank you for that. And then we want to touch on plasma before
Yeah.
we go as well.
This is the
How is
newest.
this being used?
This
This
is
is
the newest,
amazing.
most aggressive treatment.
Okay.
So somebody that has a lot of sun damage, a lot of wrinkles, and they're starting to notice sagging, but they don't want to have a facelift. This is the non-surgical alternative to a facelift and reversal of sun damage. 2 to 4 weeks of downtime because the entire surface of the skin is basically burned, controlled, but then all the skin resurfaces and it's basically brand new.
Wow.
Beautiful, no sun damage, tight, and less wrinkles.
Doctor, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you.
I'm going to tell people how they can get a hold of you.
I
All
would
right?
love that.
All right, beautiful. Look your best and feel your best. It's cutting edge stuff, folks. Dr. Jason Emmer uses the latest technology to have your skin looking tighter, smoother, and healthier. He's in Beverly Hills, which isn't too far from Vegas. Come on, it's a 48-minute flight, actually, on Southwest. Visit his website, call the number, or visit the website also on your screen. He's on Facebook. He is on Twitter for more information. Dr. Jason Emmer is a proud sponsor of Las Vegas Morning Blend. And as